Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your 13th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned about HTML tables. In this tutorial, you will learn about HTML classes and IDs. So, let's get started. Okay, let me open my notepad. Classes and IDs. Classes and IDs make referencing HTML elements from script and style sheets easier. The class attribute can be used on one or more tags and is used by CSS for styling. IDs, however, are intended to refer to a single element, meaning the same ID should never be used twice. So you can use them only once in HTML element or JavaScript. IDs are generally used with JavaScript and internal document links. We will talk about all these as we progress. Alright? Classes and IDs are attributes. So here we can say class, okay, equal. Alright? So here we can say in double quote, alright, we can say large dash font. Right? Large font. If this same class is in H2, the style will be applied to both of them because they have the same class. Okay? And here in the H3, let me paste that one, I will say ID instead of class. I will put small. Right? Let me duplicate this. Okay, here I said if you put a style here, it will be applied to both of them. But with IDs, it is a different case. Alright? You cannot apply the same style to these two headings. Never. Unless if you are using classes. Okay, so that's why they said the ID is unique. In the next tutorial, we will talk about how we can use HTML with CSS. So this tutorial is just about IDs and CSS because we are going to use them in CSS tutorial. So I will see you there.